Hello, welcome to Family Gardening. Please watch our introduction video if you have not watched it yet. This is our first garden tour.
Let's get started. These are the things we're going to cover in this episode.
Our greenhouse is 8 feet by 6 feet in dimension. Due to the hot weather in peak summer, we have put a shade cloth that covers part of the greenhouse. We also have got an automatic vent door which opens up when the weather gets hot, and it also closes when it gets cold. During night times, it mostly stays closed. Hey Adu, can you tell something about these plants?
These are the baby plants inside the greenhouse. All of these plants were started from seed.
Composting is faster with a compost tumbler. Here we have a 2-chamber model. This one is almost ready. The excess water from the compost process drains down as we see it here. This is an excellent liquid fertilizer for all our plants.
Hey Daddy, I love homegrown veggies. Me too.
Hey Adu, how was it harvesting tomatoes?
It was fun with my sister. Me and my sister really liked it because we love harvesting.
For climber plants like this, we built trellis structure using the materials from the local hardware store. This is 7 feet tall and good enough for most climber plants.
These are the baby plants that were just moved from the greenhouse, and we look forward for them to grow.
Very true, Sanu. This is how the Karela plant looked like the last season when it was fully grown.
And Mommy says this vegetable is so healthy. I like hot and spicy food made out of green chilies.
Yeah, it always amazes me how you're able to tolerate such a high spice level. This trellis was built by us using PVC pipes and remesh sheets. It works perfect for most of the climber plants.
These fava beans grow during winter. The pumpkin plant grows really big and spreads everywhere. Here is a picture from last season. Okra helps solving math problems and they taste so good. I like to eat them once in a while.
Hey Sanu, what is this?
It's curly kale and it looks really curly. This looks like dinosaur skin. I like it. Curry leaves are super healthy and rich in iron and also good for the heart. And it lowers blood sugar. It is also yummy.
Swiss chard is very healthy and it grows during winter.
Why is this plant so tall?
Because we are growing this to collect seeds for the next season.
Oh, cool. Longevity spinach is a perennial plant and grows year-round in California. It helps lower blood pressure and blood sugar.
That's very good info, Sanu. Moringa, also known as a drumstick tree, is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Both the greens and the pods are super healthy. Sanu, can you talk about the health benefits of these plants?
Sure, Daddy. Holy basil leaves. These leaves help to lower stress and promotes a calm and restful sleep. Carom leaves promote appetite and helps cure cold and cough. Betel leaves help remove toxins from our body and is great for digestion. With the fragrance of lemongrass tea helps to boost metabolism and burns fat. Wonderberry greens are great to treat stomach and mouth ulcers. Aloe vera juice flushes out toxins and helps burn belly fat. Turkey berry is a natural medicine for heart ailments and regulates kidney function. Turmeric is a superfood that can help cure cancer and Alzheimer's, in addition to other chronic diseases. Mint is rich in nutrients and helps brain function. Also, it reduces inflammation.
Most of the fruit trees in our garden are dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties. It makes it much easier to maintain.
These bananas are so yummy compared to the ones we get at the stores. We started these papaya trees from seeds. This tiny mango tree already gave us a couple of mangoes last season. These are the other fruit trees we have in our garden. These are all the flowers and succulents in our garden. harvest pictures from our garden. Thanks for watching. See you next time.